KaleeDreams. Today I'm going to talk to you about a seasonal subscription box called FabFitFun, and what they do is they give you $200 worth of products for $49.99 per season. And let me show you the box. Alright you guys, so FabFitFun sent me this box full of products, and let me tell you, these products are worth over $200. Like, I am so happy they gave me this box for me to show you guys, because it's women owned. All the products that are in here are women owned. They give back to the community, and for this season they are giving back to the Alzheimer's Association, and they give you a magazine just so that you can see all of the products, see what they have. And FabFitFun ships to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. So what I love about them is that they are women focused. They do support women brands, and they have a lot of stuff jam-packed in here. And I want to kind of go through all of the products that they have. I feel like it is an amazing value, and whenever you get these boxes, it allows you to see different products. It allows you to kind of, you know, just know what's out there other than the routine of what you normally would get. So this is a way for these companies to also promote their products. What I love about FabFitFun is you get to select an assortment of things on their website. You want to select fast, you know, because they did have a hair straightener, but if the hair straightener is sold out, then you select a different product. So, you know, you want to act fast on it, because they have items that is worth a lot of money and is good for the amount that you're paying for each season. But I want to go through some of the products so that you guys can see all of the fabulous things that they have. And they also have a magazine along in their box that, you know, talks about each product, how much the product is worth, and you get to see how much of a discount that you get. Not only that, they have coupons in here for like HelloFresh. They have an example of the mattress, what is this, the purple mattress, just so you could get an example of how that feels. So let's get into this box. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys was this Lashes MD, and basically it is a eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. Ladies are out there, we are putting false lashes on. We are also putting individuals in our eyelashes, and so, you know, we want to protect those as well. So they have something called Lash MD, and you just put it on the base of your eyelashes every night after you've taken a shower, and it conditions it. It makes it stronger and helps your lashes grow. So this is what it looks like, and I am really excited to use this. I'm so glad that FabFitFun sent this to me. And this is probably something I wouldn't buy, but now that I have it, I'm like, I'm gonna go out and get this once this is done. They also sent me something from Somerville. It's a goat milk moisturizing cream, and it conditions and restores. And when you get it, it's in this nice little container right here, and it's made out of goat milk. And she was actually raised on a farm, so she knows all about animals and the benefits that it gives you. So if you are vegan, you know, if you can wear animal byproducts, this is something that is really good because it's extremely moisturizing. I actually tried this on last night, and it's really nice. And I feel like women of all ages should use moisturizer, because, you know, without using moisturizer, your skin ages, and you want to keep your skin supple and smooth. So yes, Somerville, this is a great product, and I got it for a good deal. Ooh, oh my gosh. So this is called Color Switch, and it is an instant brush cleaner, and it says it's instantly cleans and it's reusable. So you gently glide your makeup brush against this, no liquid or anything needed, and it cleans off your brush. And it comes in this container right here, and it has a sponge where you can clean off your brush. And this is really good for, like, if you go on to travel and you want to clean your makeup brushes. And it's important to clean your makeup brushes because it contains bacteria. And there was a recent study that I was looking up, not that FabFitFun have given me. I looked it up, and it says that makeup brushes do have bacteria. So you want to clean your brushes fairly often, so this is really good to use. Okay, so this one is called Neosync London, and it's for thirsty hands. It's a super hydrating hand mask, and it's for dry, tired skin. And what I like about FabFitFun is they actually put things in here that matches the season. We all know that in the wintertime your hands get dry, you need to keep them moisturized, and it has looks like it has 2 or 3 masks in here for your hands. And you put your hands in here to 15 to 20 minutes, and it allows for your hands to get moisturized. And I really love this. I can't wait to use it because, you know, the first thing that people see is your hands when you're communicating with them. I try to keep my hands and nails done, so this is a plus. And the older you get, the more dry your hands get. Alright, so this next thing that I have is by Rodial. It's an illuminating ultimate glow primer, soft focus glow drops. I've never had any of these before. So basically you apply 2 drops and pat into your skin to a clean, dry face, and it activates to brighten the complexion of your skin. So it comes like this, it's almost like a serum. So you put this on your skin and it makes it illuminating. Ooh, it smells good too. Okay, so I see something called the Original Pink Makeup Eraser, and it says erase all makeup with just water. It's antibacterial, reusable, and lasts 3 to 5 years, and is gentle to the skin, and it saves you money. Okay, so it looks like, let me see. Okay, so it looks like you just add water and it just takes the makeup off your face. So it's soft, and all you do is add water when you're in the shower, and it takes your makeup off. So I love all of these tools that you can use to erase your makeup, to make things smoother and easier. And I wear makeup every day, so this is something that I need, and I'm going to keep this in the shower. Okay, so it looks like they added a, let's see, it says 2020. Oh, okay. So I got a calendar and from the company Paper Source, and whenever the new year starts, you need a calendar. You need a place to put all of your ideas. You need a place to put all of the things that you have planned for 2020 so you can go travel, doctor's appointments, all that. Every year I buy a calendar because it keeps me focused. It allows me to project and foresee things. Whenever I look in a calendar, I start thinking about vacations as a way to manifest and start putting down your ideas, and also looking back at the things that you've done. I started using calendars when I was in high school because high school used to prepare you for, you know, all the classes, the tests that you have, so it became a habit. And every year I buy one, and now I got one. And Paper Source has, it shows you 2020 to 21. It tells you all of the holidays in here, and also the paper in here is very sturdy and thick. So yeah, I really like this, and I can use this. So thank you. Y'all, they pack so much stuff in here. Okay, so now they have something by DryBar. That's the company, and it's called Prep Rally, and it's a prime and prep detangler. So it says it protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and then of course you across the country it's 232 Celsius. And it says it's formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. And it's so that you can prep your hair for optimal performances, for styling and everything. And you spray the mist to damp hair and brush evenly for blow drying. So yeah, this is something that we all need. We all need protection for our hair. So this is another product that is good. So I want you guys to check out FabFitFun and their website. In there, they also put coupons in here for Hello Fresh, a meal prep kit, and it's a $90 gift card. So with them, it looks like you can customize meals for healthy eating. I am on a healthy journey, so this is something that I will use because I have been working out. If you follow me, that's something that I always talk about, and I love good ideas and anything that can help me with that. Alright, so when you go on the FabFitFun website, you'll get a list and you'll see all the different companies that are a part of FabFitFun, and you get discounts that you wouldn't get on the actual other companies' websites. So they have different companies up there. You can get different discounts, and these are stuff that I would see like in Nordstrom's and all of that. So you get a discount for those products. And for the winter edition, they come with a magazine, and it describes all of the products that are in here and all of the things that you could select from. There's some in here that I did not get because they were possibly sold out, but they also had many different products. They also had a straightener, they had a comb, it has all type of articles and what to cook for the winter time, and I love it. I'm really glad that they sent me these products and allowed me to share this with you guys. So if you were looking for another subscription company, FabFitFun is a great company to work with because they were really good on the email with me and very nice. So yeah, if you're interested in the products, I'm gonna leave the link below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.